Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 30th, 2021. This is going to be our Camber Energy stock prediction and why Camber Energy stock short squeeze is over momentarily. We're going to talk about that today on this video. So guess what? If today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure you tap in right alongside with me, because what we do here on this particular platform is we drop price predictions on a price chart and we speak to you in terms that is not hard to understand. And we also show you clean charts and that you can actually predict where prices are going to go without using technical indicators. So join me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel if you all want to learn more, or at best tap that bell notification so you become notified whenever we upload our predictions on the YouTube. So check this out. I want you guys to understand that you're going to start seeing videos and articles on YouTube and other places that is going to convince you or try to tell you that the short squeeze in Camber Energy, that this so-called, now they're trying to term it as a meme stock, is going to continue to go up. Right now, let's keep it real. Okay, when we see prices go from 40 cents, okay, right here, when we see the market price in September, the beginning of September, go from 40 cents and then towards the end of the month trade as high as $4.80. The short squeeze may be over. I mean, look at this. The market in Camber Energy right here on the 1st of September, right? If I take it from the low of that particular day, okay, which is around 45 cents, to where we traded yesterday at the high. Look at this. That is 939% increase in price, right? That is the short squeeze. When a market in less than 30 days goes from 45 cents to $4.86, a 939% price increase, that is the short squeeze. That is massive. That was a great, phenomenal opportunity for you to already be in position and get that 939% out the market, right? But no, you're going to start seeing videos on YouTube saying that the squeeze is not over, that the market still has enough legs to go up higher in price. But currently, it's over for the time being. The market needs to get a breather. And you guys can actually tell based off the market price yesterday that the market actually halted in trading. Why? Well, because look, yesterday the market came in and sold. Whoever had a bag of Camber Energy stock came in and offloaded it out into the market. So much so that they had to stop trading. They had to stop it because too many people were selling into the market. Whoever had that bag was like, I'm getting out the market right now. I got this 939% price increase in my bag. I'm profitable. Let me take the money and go. Somebody did that yesterday, while others was trying to buy it because they're looking for the price to go exceedingly higher. Somebody else said, look, this is great prime real estate for me to take the profit and move on to the next play. This is exactly what happened. And look at all this volume. Just look at it. There hasn't been this much volume in Camber Energy ever since it's been traded on this particular exchange. Look at it. Yesterday was the highest amount of volume ever in the history of Camber Energy. Somebody got massively rich yesterday by taking the profits in the market, right? So check this out. This is where the halt occurred into the market in Camber Energy, right? The market just completely fell off. Now you can actually see towards the ending of trading that the market in Camber Energy held support. So this is why I'm trying to tell you that the market is through with this massive move up higher in price. Now, I'm not saying that the market move is over of it going higher. No, but the market is going to have to readjust itself, i.e. trade sideways for a couple of days and then resume back up to higher prices, because it's been a fantastic move the last couple of days in Camber Energy, right? Take a look at that. So what we're going to do here on this particular video is we're going to expect the price in Camber Energy, right, to come down and actually test this trend, right? Because the market is still in a uptrend. Okay, this is one trend that the market price in Camber Energy is on, and this is the second trend. Okay, so we need to watch the market price in Camber Energy throughout the month of October to see which one is going to be more applicable, right? Which one is going to be able to uphold the price in Camber Energy from going up, right? To keep it going up. Okay, you see this? This is the 9-hour chart. These are the two trends right now in Camber Energy. Now, preferably, we want to see the market continue to trade this trend because this is the fastest way that we can see the price continue to go up in Camber Energy, right? This is it. We want to see that. But we got to be prepared to allow the market to give us another expectation for when this trend actually breaks, where would be the next area for us to ride the market higher, right? And it's going to be this second ascending line that I've created in the market in Camber Energy. Okay. So now you can already see in pre-market that the market's already trading up there around $4.07. Now I'm not going to be dependent and look at that as of this particular moment because the market is not officially open. So we cannot actually think that that is actual trading going on into the market, because once the market actually opens for trading for the mass markets, the market last trade was at $3.40. Okay, so yeah, so far the market is still having that emphasis, that demand, that interest is still here in Camber Energy. It is still here. So now I'm still looking for the market price in Camber Energy to continue to give us some slight increases in price, but the short squeeze, right? The swiftness as to how high price is going to go up, that has stopped momentarily, based off all the volume that came into the market yesterday, right? So now what I'm going to do, we really need to see this price in Camber Energy to hold this current ascending line, right? We need to see it hold here. So let me circle it that this is the opportunity for us to come in and see whether or not the market's gonna be able to grab that ascending line, right? Right there. But I also want to get you all prepared to see this price in Camber Energy to test this ascending line too. Okay. Now that's about 40% move to the downside. I'm not saying that the current trend is on this ascending line. So yes, right now our expectations as to Camber Energy going down, it's not right. I'm already in position. I already know that. I already understand that. You guys don't have to drop any comments in the comment section, and I can visually tell that the trend, this current ascending line, is still intact. All right, I'm playing this in the long term, i.e. the next couple of days, first 2 weeks in October, right? So now let me show you all something before I let you all go, because this is where the market restriction is where the current restriction price is into the market in Camber Energy, right? So as long as this price in Camber Energy trades below $4.40, you know what? Let me do this first. Let me take this back, since there's a lot of history on this chart in Camber Energy. Let me play some restriction that we've seen all the way back since 2019. Okay. So from what I'm getting here, as long as the price in Camber Energy does not trade above $4.55, we're going to play the weakness into the market. We're going to expect the market to come back down, and our expectation is for this price in Camber Energy to come in and test one of these trends, right? And the market will continue to go up in Camber Energy as long as we really maintain this lower end trend that I've got drawn on my chart right here. The market will go up. Okay. So let me put this back on the daily to where the market closed on yesterday's trading. This is the current trend, which I understand, I got it, but I'm going to get rid of it because I want to make sure that our charts is clean. Okay. Let me bring this over. This is the trend that we're going to follow for the long term into the market in Camber Energy, because yeah, this is massively strong right now. And based off the volume that came in yesterday, based off where we closed yesterday, I'm still expecting the price to come down slightly. You guys saw that first trend I had, but then overall, this is the longer term trend that the market in Camber Energy is on, right? So it is following this trend. So we need to allow the price to come back down, test it, and go back up. That's what I'm looking forward to. Now, you might be a complete short squeeze individual who is looking for the market to continue to shoot up in price into perpetuity, but as in all market dynamics, things change. You need to expect prices to come back down to some more realistic terms and price movement. So this is what I'm seeing. So now it's your turn. You might completely disagree with what I'm saying. You might completely disagree with what my expectations are, which is cool, which is fine. You have your own mind. Now, I want to give you all the opportunity to express it though. Drop me a comment right now in the comment section and tell me, what are you expecting the price to do in Camber Energy for the month of October, right? Are you expecting the price just to continue to shoot up, or are you expecting the market to come back down like we are and then later on resume higher prices? Just let me know right now. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different. Drop me that comment right now.